Raritan River at Stanton. From this afternoon to Tuesday afternoon. At 5:30 p.m. Monday, the stage was 8.2 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 5:30 p.m. Monday was 8.2 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 9.0 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Impact at 5.0 feet, minor lowland flooding downstream of Gage. Impact at 8.0 feet, right bank and approach to bridge is flooded. Impact at 10.0 feet, houses downstream begin to take on water. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 9.2 feet on January 26, 1978.